online weight loss programs. If you go on Google or YouTube, you're going to find so many websites, magazines, books, so many different options. We have more information on online weight loss programs now than ever before. So why is it, if that's true, why does 82% of all women and 73% of all men, why are they overweight? Well, sometimes it's not just enough to know what to do, but it's just the following through with it. And sometimes that's where an online fitness coach like myself, and if you're interested in hiring me as your fitness coach, can really help you through those challenging processes. But your success is going to come down to these 5 fundamentals, and you may want to write these down: training, nutrition, recovery, supplementation, and mindset. Online weight loss programs.